I got it. Ollie. Ollie. Damn it, something must be jamming the signal.
Good. I despise interruptions.
Who are you? Please don't say the boogeyman.
What? You don't recognize me? Well, that's different.
Whoa. Close enough.
Well, I see you accepted my invitation.
You know this man?
Oh no, never seen him before in my life. Oh wait, no. He's the one I sent to collect you. I can see you saved me the trouble of killing him.
I don't kill anymore.
Well, we can't have that. Ah, forgot my gun. I'll just have to use yours.
And how are you planning on getting it? Never mind. Why go to all the trouble of getting me here?
You've been causing problems for me.
My pleasure.
I would see an end to that.
You're funny. I'm still one holding the gun.
And you still don't know who I am. I'm Alex Hunt. That was very rude. You might want this. You didn't think I would actually give you a loaded gun? That's just there to make you feel safe.
How nice of you. Then why did you kill my wife?
She was just collateral damage for the wider cause.
You and your wider cause. My wife died chasing another ludicrous dream.
And what do you spend your nights doing?
I know I have failed this city. I thought I could fight the darkness by being the darkness, like you do. Then I realized, to fight the darkness, I must be the light. That starts now, with killing the darkness within me. Should we settle this like men? Oh.